parents and all my dear friends. Myself Fiza, I am studying in 9th standard in Sri Vanita Vidya Kendra. My subject is the subject which tell everything is theoretically impossible until it is done. That is science. All of you ready?
Yes.
Organisms, no?
Yes.
Then solids are made up of particles. Then what we are made up of?
Cells.
Then what is meant by cell? Can anyone answer? Imran.
Cell is a structural and functional unit of living organisms.
Very good. Sit down. Cell is a, repeat with me.
Cell is a
Structural and functional. Ever exactly wonder how that food is converted into energy? Let me explain today. In the cell contains many cell organelles. In that, the major role was played by mitochondria in the production of energy. My topic is mitochondria. Mitochondria are double membrane cell organelles found in most eukaryotic cells, acting as powerhouse of the cell by generating ATP. It contains its own DNA. It is the structure of mitochondria. It contains DNA, ribosome, matrix and folds also known as cristae, intermembrane space and inner membrane and outer membrane. These all are the structure and introduction about mitochondria. Then who was introduced mitochondria? Can anyone tell? Imran.
Albert von Palikar.
Yes, very good. Sit down. Mitochondria was firstly introduced by Albert von Palikar in 1857 and the name was given by Carl Benda in 1898. Structure and introduction about mitochondria. We all have do physical functions from morning to evening, no? Can anyone explain some functions from morning to evening?
Cycling, running, walking.
Very good, sit down. Like that, mitochondria also do some function. Let's discuss about them. Cellular respiration. Cellular respiration means the process of producing ATP. What is meant by ATP? Can anyone? Vinuta.
Adenotriphosphate.
Very good, sit down. ATP means adenotriphosphate. The second function is calcium storage. Next function is heat generation. In adipose tissue. Have you any doubts?
Repeat once again.
Let me explain again. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are double membrane cell organelles found in most eukaryotic cells, acting as powerhouse of the cell by generating ATP. It contains its own DNA and its functions. Cellular respiration, calcium homeostasis and heat generation. This is all about my class. Let me ask some questions. What is meant by mitochondria?
Mitochondria are double membrane organelles found in most eukaryotic cells, acting as a powerhouse of the cell by generating ATP. It's called mitochondria.
Very good, sit down. Now, other organelles of cells. Write some information about nucleus. My class. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to me.
Myself Shashankam. I am studying in 9th standard in Sri Vanita Vidya Kendra. My seminar subject is science. In that my topic is work and energy. So, in this class we will learn about work and energy. So, anyone know what is work?
Work is a form of energy.
Anyone know other definition? So I will say it. Please sit down. It is a form of energy. Whenever by applying force, it makes an object displaced from one place to another place. This is known as work done. The SI unit of work is joule. To complete our work, we consume some energy. So let us learn about energy. Imran.
The capacity to do work is called energy.
Yes, good, Siddharth. The capacity to do work is known as energy. In energy, there are four forms: light energy, heat energy, and chemical energy and mechanical energy. I will do to show that energy is one activity. Box. Inside this, there are stored matchsticks. If we take one matchstick, in the tip of matchsticks and the side of matchsticks and the tip of matchsticks, there is presented of it is chemical energy. To burn the matchsticks, we use the help of our skeleton and our muscles. This is known as mechanical energy. If you burn it, it produces heat energy in the tip of matchsticks and light energy by the fire. So next we learn about types of energy. There are two types of energy: potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy. Please repeat with me. The energy possessed by a body due to its position is known as potential energy. Mathematically, we mentioned that potential energy is mgh. mgh. In this formula, mass is denoted by m and acceleration due to gravity is denoted by g and height is denoted by h. Mathematically, we mentioned that kinetic energy is denoted by V. Let's learn about kinetic energy. The energy possessed by a body due to its motion is known as kinetic energy. Example for potential energy is a water stored in a dam and the bow and arrow. For example for kinetic energy is moving car and the running athlete. So other example for potential energy, Sonakshi. Yes, good, Siddharth. Birds are flying in a flying is also example for potential energy. Anyone know other example for kinetic energy? Energy.
Do you have any energy?
Yes.
Do you have type of energy? Do you have?
What is the source of our energy? Human body energy. Human energy, potential energy and kinetic energy. Uses of potential energy is also used in hydroelectric power station. The water stored behind a dam holds gravitational potential energy is used to turbines present in dams and in turbine is converted into electricity. What is energy?
The ability to do work is called energy.
Yes, good, sit down. So next question, which are the types of energy? Good, sit down. In this class we all learn about the work and energy and their types and their uses. Thank you for giving this opportunity.